Understanding Overseas Production, a deep dive. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across in news, business discussions, or economics classes: overseas production. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and some examples to help you understand how it's used in real-world contexts. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about economic terms, this video is for you. Overseas production refers to the process of a company or business producing goods or services in a country other than where it is based. This term is crucial in the context of globalization and international trade. When a company decides to produce overseas, it could be for various reasons, such as lower labor costs, access to specific markets, or taking advantage of local resources. It's a strategy that can lead to more competitive pricing and expansion into new markets. Companies opt for overseas production for several key reasons. Cost reduction. Labor and production costs can be significantly lower in other countries. Market expansion. Producing goods closer to where they are sold reduces transportation costs and time. Access to resources. Some countries have abundant natural resources or specialized labor that are crucial for certain products. Tax benefits. Some countries offer tax incentives to foreign companies to attract investment. Understanding these reasons helps us see why international businesses often have a global production footprint. Overseas production can have profound effects on economies and societies. Economic growth. It can stimulate economic growth in the host country by creating jobs and fostering technology transfer. Consumer benefits. It often leads to lower prices and more product variety for consumers worldwide. Challenges. However, it can also lead to job losses in the home country and raise concerns about labor standards and environmental impacts in the host country. It's a complex issue with both positive and negative aspects, reflecting the intricate balance of global trade. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of overseas production and its significance in the global economy. It's a clear example of how businesses think globally in today's interconnected world. Whether it's for cost savings, market access, or resource utilization, overseas production plays a pivotal role in shaping our economic landscape. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language and its practical applications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.